Welcome everyone to my channel, Cozy Yarn Creations. Please do like, share, and subscribe my channel. Today we will learn to make a flat circle. We will start with the magic ring. Basically, for making a flat circle we need to work in rounds while increasing stitches. Chain 2, and work 12 double crochet into the ring. Always use a stitch marker at the start of each round to help track progress. Don't pull too tight when starting the magic ring to avoid circle tightening. My round is complete with 12 double crochet. Now slip stitch the first stitch as marked. Chain 2 for second round. Now make 2 double crochet in each stitch. From round 2 we will make increase of 12 stitches in every round. Some common mistakes people make is that they forget to increase consistently. Then the circle cups and ruffles. They miscount the stitches too. Round 3, chain 2. Continue to increase after 1 double crochet stitch. This is my third completed round. Round 4, chain 2, increase after 2 double crochet stitch. With this increase method you can create as big circle as you desire. This is my finished circle. Hope you like the video. Do subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching.